Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make these carrot cake donuts. They have no added sugar and they're also vegan and gluten-free. They make a really great snack or breakfast. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a medium-sized mixing bowl, add 3 tablespoons of ground flax seeds and 115 milliliters of water. Mix this together well and then leave to sit for about 10 minutes. In a larger mixing bowl, add 150 grams of plain gluten-free flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda and 4 teaspoons of mixed spice. Mix this together. Then add 100 grams of ground almonds, 50 grams of raisins, you could omit the raisins if you wanted a lower sugar content, and 50 grams of walnuts. Just break these up into pieces, but you don't need to chop them. Mix this together. Grate some carrots until you have 300 grams of grated carrots. Your flaxseed mixture should have thickened by now. Add 3 tablespoons of unsweetened almond milk and 100 milliliters of olive oil to the flaxseed mixture. Whisk lightly until the mixture is well incorporated. Then add the grated carrots to the flaxseed mixture and mix using a wooden spoon until everything is well combined. Add the carrot mixture to the dry ingredients and stir together. It will form quite a thick batter. Grease some donut pans using vegetable oil. Use teaspoons to spoon the mixture into the donut pans. I used donut pans which had a 7 cm diameter and I made 15 donuts this way. You could alternatively make these into muffins if you don't have a donut pan. Bake in the oven for 25 minutes. You'll know that they are done when a skewer inserted into the donut comes out clean. Leave the donuts to cool completely in their trays before removing. So to make enough icing to ice all of the donuts, you'll need 120 grams of cashew butter. To that, mix in 1.5 teaspoons of lemon juice. Then add 90 milliliters of unsweetened almond milk, but add it very slowly. So add about a tablespoon and then mix it together really well before adding a bit more, and then make sure you mix it really well each time so that it's really smooth and well incorporated and there are no lumps. Once the donuts have cooled completely, remove them from the pans and dip them into the icing mix. You want to dip the underside of the donuts into the icing mix as that is the smoother side. It might get a bit messy, but don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect. These donuts are best eaten fresh, but can also be kept in the fridge and enjoyed the next day.